Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem this app has been blocked for your protection. So are you ready? Let's get started. So sometimes when you want to install an application, especially an anti-malware or antivirus application, you get some messages. So I will show you some examples. So for example, you can have this kind of message: this app has been blocked for your protection. Okay, or you can get some messages similar to this one: this program has been blocked also, or this app or this publisher has been blocked from running software on your machine. So what happens here actually is that you have a malware in your computer. So you have been infected, and this infection has actually turned your certificate into untrusted certificate for these publishers. So all you have to do is actually to delete them and make them trusted certificate. So in order to do that, it's pretty easy. So all you have to do in order to install these applications is to go to your search bar and type run, or you can simply hit in your keyboard the Windows logo plus the R key. So you get this run dialog box here and you type cert mgr.msc. So what you get actually is the certificate manager. Okay, so I will show you an image of this certificate manager here. So it's this one. Okay, so as you can see, in the left you found a lot of folders, and you go especially to this untrusted certificate folder, and inside it you will notice that there is a bunch of publisher that has been untrusted because they are located under the untrusted certificate. So all this publisher actually will not be installed in your machine. So all you have to do in order to allow the application from this publisher to be installed is actually to delete this certificate here. So you select the corresponding publisher to your software and you delete it with your mouse or your keyboard with the delete button, or you can just select all this publisher here and delete them. Once you delete the certificate from this folder here, you will be able to install the antivirus or the anti-malware that you have downloaded actually from the internet. So just keep in mind that a malware can actually turn your certificate into untrusted certificate, and thus or therefore you will not be able to install any program or software coming from this publisher. So that was just a little trick that you can do in order to get your applications or software installed, even if you have a computer infected with the malware. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.